Hey guys, for this video I want to give a brief overview of how to use our website. In a nutshell, the purpose of homeworkaholic.com is to help you out with homework. If you're stumped on a particular homework problem or really need some help cramming for that test tomorrow, we can help you out. So here's how it works. Here you see our home page, and at the top there are a few little blurbs of introduction. You can go through these on your own. And when you feel ready, you can go down here to post your homework problem. So let's pretend this is my homework problem. And when I'm done, I'm going to scroll down and click on this post button. And now it's going to prompt me to log in. So if you don't have an account already, that's completely fine. You can click on this Create New Account tab. You just have to answer a few questions and you're all set just by clicking this Create New Account button. But here we already have an account, so I'll just go ahead and use our sample student account here and log in. Okay, so now I've logged in successfully, and to go back to posting my question I have to click on this Post a Question link. And notice how my problem is already here, so I don't have to retype everything. And this works regardless of whether you had to create a new account or if you just logged in. Your question is going to be saved. However, I can choose to do some additional formatting on top of that by clicking the bold, underline. I can add a link by clicking this little chain here. So if my question is from another site, I can put in that website right here. Or if my question can be found in some PDF file, I might want to just find that over here and upload it to the server. Alternatively, if I have a mathematical equation that I want to put into my question, you can click on this Insert or Edit Equation tool, and this is going to pop up. What this is basically an equation editor that is based in LaTeX. For those of you who actually are familiar with the LaTeX, which is a math typesetting language, you can type in your code right here and everything will be automatically parsed. But for those of you who don't really know the language, that's completely fine. We've got a bunch of preset buttons you can click, and once you do, the code's going to be automatically generated for you. So let's click on this integral sign here, and I'll just type in a little expression. And when it looks like what I want it to look like, I can click on Copy to Document, and there you go. You'll be able to see your expression, mathematical expression, right here in an image format. And I can add whatever else I want. I can do some a block here if I wanted to quote something. And when I'm satisfied, I can go on to choose a topic for my question. So this part is rather important because depending on the topic that you've chosen, after you submit your question, all the teachers registered in our database who are experts in that topic will receive an email notification saying that a question has been added to this topic, so please come to this website and answer the questions ASAP. So the more accurate you can be in selecting your topic, the quicker it is that you can expect to receive a solution for your question. So you can see that after I chose the topic, the subtopic menu got automatically populated, and here I can just select a subtopic. I want to give my question a title, and down here this bid is kind of important because it really stresses the value that you place on your question, because ultimately when the teachers get paid, they're going to get paid based on how many homework points or HPs they've earned. So if you put in a bid of 1 homework point, the teacher that answers your question will have that 1 homework point credited to their account, and you will have 1 homework point deducted from your account over here. So generally you want to put in a bid that is somewhat equivalent to the amount of time you estimate this question will require. So if I feel that this is going to take a little bit longer, I might want to put in something that's a little bit higher. So I'm going to put in 3 as my bid for now. And next you want to put in a deadline for your question. So suppose you have this homework assignment due on August 28th, you'll definitely want the answer by August 27th so that you can understand it fully and ask follow-up questions if you need to. So I'm going to click on this, and then the deadline will be populated. Optionally, I can choose to write a comment in here in case I want to say something to the teacher as the teacher is answering my question. So the teacher will see this. When I'm done, I'm going to click on the Save button, and once I do so, I can go back to view my questions, and here you'll see that the question is going to be added in this list of all the questions that you've ever asked. And this is a place where you can basically check on the status of your questions. They'll all start as being unanswered, and later on when a teacher starts working on it, you're going to see that it's going to be locked, and then finally when it's been answered, you'll see the status changed to answered, and then you can view your solution here and rate your teacher and so on and so forth. Also, you will receive an email notification if a teacher has answered your question. So definitely join our website as soon as you can, because we're currently doing a promotion where every new registration gets 10 free homework points. So you can definitely use that to try out the site and see if it's been working for you, and if it does, hang around for a little bit longer. So this concludes this segment of our tutorial, and thank you for watching.